Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to look at this miniature working sewing machine. I spotted this at a local car boot sale. The lady who sold it had a large collection of miniature and children's sewing machines, and she was looking to sell them all. Looking back, I should have bought some of the others too, but I immediately recognised this as a Necchi, and besides I thought it was cute. It's a mini version of the Supernova Julia machine produced in the 1960s, and I assume that this is of a similar vintage. I believe it probably would have come in a case, although there wasn't one with this machine. The Necchi Infanzia, which means childhood, really does sew. It uses a single bobbin to create a chain stitch. The thread passes through a series of eyelets, as well as tensioning discs, before being threaded through the needle. Simply turning the hand crank, as you would with any manual machine, starts the sewing process. What's a little unusual about this model is it's also electrically operated. Just pushing this switch here sets the motor running and lights up the tiny light. The motor didn't work when I got the machine, so I took it apart, cleaned all the contacts and put it back together, and hey presto, it worked! As this is an Italian machine, it's very difficult to find any information about it. If you have anything you could add, please leave the info down in the comment section. I hope you found this video interesting. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of my future uploads. As ever, thanks for watching.